started, it's really hard, a lot of struggles. But dumating kami sa point na almost i-close na talaga namin yung business. And that's true. However, we still have faith on each other. And I am very thankful because you choose me as your business partner.
Ladies and gentlemen and in-betweens, Miss Karen po, the founder of BA-Flix,
And Mr. John Lawrence Marzan, the co-founder of BA-Flix. A round of applause!
Nakakatuwa lang kasi na-achieve din namin kahit pa paano yung pangarap namin dalawa. Simula nung may mga empleyado na nagtatrabaho para sa amin, nagbago yung mindset namin ni Karen na hindi dapat, alam mo yun, hindi dapat trip-trip lang to. Kasi ang dami naging tao na dumidepende sa kampanyang ito.
And I want to thank you guys because I know my 3 years in a BPO company is not enough maybe to be in where I am now. I am so grateful that you gave me your trust and saw potential in me when no one else can see.
Ma'am Karen, thank you so much for believing in me na I can do it. I just have to trust myself as well. And I just need to be open to you guys. So thank you very much for this opportunity. Yung pawis ko galing sa muda. Thank you so much. Ayun nga, ang laki ng trust talaga nila sa akin. And very thankful ako na nang dahil sa kanila is meron akong stable na trabaho ngayon.
Buntis pa yung misis ko noon nung nakapasok ako ng BA-Flix nung lumabas siya. I love BA-Flix. I love BA-Flix so much.
Like alam mo yun, am I really a part of this? So, nakaka-proud sobra as a contractor.
It was really my first virtual job. I've been with the call center for a long time and I was glad I was accepted in this company.
Kasi I was unemployed back then nung tinanggap nila ako and I was referred by my sister-in-law. Hindi ko alam, sobrang bilis lang nung nangyari na naghahanap lang ako ng work and then suddenly nabigyan na ako ng client.
Kahit how many mountains, ocean, kailangan kong tawirin just to prove myself to both of you that I am changed, na hindi ako yung kagaya dati. And with your proper guidance, maano ko na meron pala akong mararating.
On behalf of the core team po, nagpapasalamat kami sa inyong dalawa. And hindi ko nasabi kanina sa video kasi nung kinuha nila wala ako, pero BA-Flix is family. Thank you, mothers.
Yung mga yan, napaka-very special yan. Kung wala sila, wala nitong company na ito. Lalo-lalo na sa core team, maraming salamat sa mga effort nyo. Tis lang tayo. Mas marami pa tayong makakamit pa. Hindi namin kayo pababayaan. Yun lang po.